In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your top navigation so you can access the reports you use most in just one click. If you're constantly jumping between menus to find your favorite reports, this quick setup will save you time every single day. The best part is, it only takes a minute to configure. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set it up properly and make your reporting workflow much more efficient. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your account and head to the top navigation bar. From there, click on Reporting. Once the drop-down appears, select All Reports. This will open the full reports library where you can see every available report in your system. Take a moment to scroll through the list and identify the reports you use most frequently. These might be your profit and loss report, balance sheet, cash flow statement, aged receivables, or any custom reports you rely on regularly. Next to each report name, you'll see a small star icon. This is the key to customizing your top navigation. To add a report to your main reporting menu, simply click the star icon next to that report. When you click the star, it will become highlighted, indicating that the report has been added to your starred list. Repeat this process for up to 5 of your most used reports. Be selective here and choose the ones you genuinely access on a weekly or daily basis. The goal is to make your top navigation cleaner and faster to use, not overcrowded. Once you've starred your top reports, move your cursor back up to the main navigation and click on Reporting again. Now you'll notice something different. At the top of the Reporting drop-down menu, you'll see a new section labeled Starred. Inside that section are the reports you just selected. This means you no longer need to click into All Reports and search through the full list every time. Your most important reports are now pinned right at the top for quick and easy access. If you ever want to change your selection, simply go back into Reporting, click All Reports, and toggle the star icon on or off next to any report. The changes update instantly, giving you full control over what appears in your customized top navigation. This small adjustment can make a big difference in your daily workflow, especially if you're running reports frequently or switching between financial views throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully customized your top navigation by starring your most used reports so they appear directly in the main reporting menu. It's a simple change, but it saves clicks, reduces friction, and keeps your workspace organized around the tools you actually use. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.